Hello, guys. Hello, everyone. Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, guys. How are you all doing? Guys, today we are making tomato stew again. Yay! I'm making another tomato stew, you guys. So this is how I did it, you guys. So yeah, my tomatoes, as you guys can see, and these are my, what should I call this? This is not bell pepper. Should I call this red tatashe? So you guys, I have these peppers in here and some tomatoes. This is just to give more reddish color to my tomato stew. So as you guys can see, I'm just removing the seed from it before I blend it, you guys. So I'm going to remove all the seeds from this pepper. I don't know if I should call it red bell pepper. This is not red bell pepper anyways. So I don't really know the name they call this pepper, okay? So yeah. So I'm going to blend all these peppers and tomatoes, and I will also add some onions to it, you guys. Yeah, so here I have my pot where I'm just turning in the tomatoes because I'm going to parboil these tomatoes and the pepper that I just blend. Yeah, with this pepper I'm going to parboil it together just to remove some water from it. Okay, you guys know that fresh tomato has a lot of water, most especially when you add some water to blend it, so it has more water. All I always do is to parboil it just to reduce the liquid in it, you guys. So yeah, that is what I'm doing here. I'm going to parboil the tomatoes. Yeah, you guys. Yeah, as you guys can see, this is what I'm doing right here. I'm going to boil that tomatoes to reduce the liquid in it. As you guys can see, look at the way it's boiling beautifully. The tomatoes is boiling beautifully, you guys. Yeah, look at the color, so red. It is so red because of that pepper that I just add. So while that is boiling, here are my fish. I'm going to use some tilapia fish and mackerel fish, you guys. So this is mackerel fish and tilapia fish. I'm going to fry that before I use it so that it will not break inside the stew. Yeah, yeah, you guys, that is what I'm doing right here, guys. So if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, you guys, please do me a favor by subscribing. You know I love you guys, right? Subscribe and join the YouTube family, you guys. I always post video on this my channel. There is no video I don't post here. I always say it, there is no video I don't post. So guys, consider subscribing so that you can be one of us on this YouTube channel. There's a lot to learn on my YouTube channel, you guys. So please subscribe, okay? Subscribe for more fun videos, more video like this, so yeah. So you guys, I'm adding some tomatoes paste inside the oil. Okay, you can see that I've fried the onions to how I want it to be. So I just adding some tomatoes paste. You guys, for me, I believe that tomatoes paste is optional when you want to make a tomato stew. You do not really need tomato paste in it. Okay, it is optional. Sometimes I use, sometimes I don't use it. Okay, so I just decided to also to use tomato paste on this stew. Okay, you guys. Yeah, that's what I'm doing. I'm going to fry this tomato paste to remove that sour taste from it. You guys know that some tomato paste has sour taste. Depends on the brand you are using. Okay, so some tomato paste have this sour strong taste. So that's why I usually fry it first before I bring in the fresh tomatoes. Yeah, you guys. So the color of this my camera this day was not that bright. Okay, this tomatoes was very red, but because of the color that day, the color looks somehow. Yeah, you guys. So after frying that for some time, I'm going to add my protein stock. Okay, this is stock that I just added. Okay, so yeah, the water I use to cook my protein is what I just add. This will also give your tomato stew some delicious flavor, you guys. Yeah, that is what I'm doing here. So I'm going to cover this up for it to cook a little bit before I open it again, just to check how it's going and to test it and see how yummy it is. Do you guys know that at the end this pot was so small, so I changed the pot to a bigger pot, okay? Because it was getting small. More I add some water, more I add the proteins, more smaller the pot become. So I changed the pot to a bigger one later, okay, you guys. Yep, you guys, the tomato stew is already done. It is ready, almost ready. So all I just have to do now is to out all the protein. What am I even saying? Oh, you guys, voiceover is not that easy. So you guys, I've changed the pot, okay? I've changed the pot to a bigger pot, okay? Because the other pot was so small for this too, for the tomatoes sauce. So yeah, add in my dry fish, the fish that I just fried, okay? Yeah, because this is just a short video, okay? So this is how I cook these tomatoes on this day, you guys. You guys know that I have other videos. I have other videos of how to make tomato sauce, how to make your stew for rice. You know, this stew you can use it to eat anything you want. You can use it for rice, you can use it for potato, yam, whichever one that you want to eat with it is good, you guys. So yeah, this is the video. I said let me show you guys. Thank you all for always being here. God bless you. Please subscribe, okay? Bye. Mwah.